Previously on Megan's Family Vlogs.
So there's the windshield, and our hood just kind of completely, like, you can lift it. It's just completely broken. There's our window. There's like a hole up there, and I'll show you the inside of the car. So I am planning, since our camping trip kind of went sour, I think I have my projector. We'll set it up tonight and watch a movie out in the backyard on the projector and just kind of have fun, because the kids were a little bit disappointed when we left because we didn't get to do s'mores yet. And I don't think we won't really get to do s'mores here either, but like maybe we can make some popcorn and what? What's wrong?
I saw a bee.
You saw a bee?
Yeah, but it didn't sting me.
Yeah, you're fine.
But the bee was right next to where I threw that rock at that bee.
So I think we'll probably make some popcorn, maybe have like a soda, and just kind of enjoy a movie night outside. So I think that's what we'll do today. Coda, buddy, turn the water off. Maybe we'll go outside and play with, I don't know, today is supposed to be kind of a hot day. So maybe we'll just go outside and play in the water too for a little while. Yeah, I'll let you know. I'll let you guys know in a little bit. To help them feel better, I decided I'll bring out the little pool and let them play in it for a little while. It's like 81 degrees outside right now, so we're just gonna put a little bit of water in it, probably some warm water from inside the house out here into it. But I'm gonna let them play in the pool for a little while and get some energy out and make them feel better. So come set it up with me.
I saw a light when you passed me by. The reason why I shine, you're the reason why. I thought I caught your eyes, the love is blind. I thought I saw you smile.
Alright, so my next plan is to set up on the trampoline some blankets and pillows, make it nice and comfy, and kind of set up like a movie theater screen with a white sheet and get it ready to project a movie on it tonight and enjoy some popcorn and snacks and just have a good night. So, alright, so officially got the sheet set up where hopefully it'll last and hopefully stay there for, unless AnnaLee ruins it. Now I'm going to set up the blankets and kind of make it a nice little bed situation for us to lay on while we watch the movie.
So AnnaLee and I are here right now, just laying here watching VeggieTales. Right now it's not quite dark enough to see a whole lot, so Coda's not out here. He didn't want to join us yet. But AnnaLee wanted to turn on the show and kind of watch it. And so we're just day off right now.
Hey guys, we're having a movie night.
So that's going to be the end of today's video. If you liked it... Oh, beautiful, Annie. Oh, thank you. She just made me a mermaid. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Like I said, it went from what was supposed to be a normal camping trip to kind of just ending up in our backyard watching the movie for a little while, and then it got cold and we decided to come in early and just get ready for bed. So
Mom.
yes, bud.
I got a new string to wrap it up.
Okay,
So you wrap it down here now.
wrap it down here. So if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notifications so you get alerts every time I come out with new videos. I try to post every Monday and Wednesday. I don't have a set time that my videos go up, but I try to post around the same time frame, so usually around between 12 and 2. So for all of you who don't know, my schedule is usually Monday, Wednesday, between 12 and 2 is when I like to upload. So until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.
Mommy, I'm gonna have a cup for mermaid.
Okay. Bye.